Hi, this is Suzuk, and today we are going to find and install the Inupiaq font onto our computers. I've gone to Chrome, searching for the Inupiaq font, and I found that the AlaskaNativeLanguages.org fonts work really well. So we will go down to that link. Here we are. We're doing this for our computer. So we will click on Keyboards, the Inupiaq language, and this green link here will take us to the font. We are being redirected. If you scroll down, you'll find the different languages. I am from Shishmaref, so I use the Seward Peninsula, and this is a Mac that I'm using. I am going to download it, and first I click on my desktop so that it goes to my desktop instead of where I last was. Save it. And now I'm going to hide my Chrome so that it is still open and I can see my desktop. I will double click, which then opens up the font, which is here, Inupiaq SP Key Layout. Now, I'm going to put this back on my desktop. This is how you may see it if you already have a Finder window open. Next step is to go to the Go menu, Computer. You click on your hard drive, which might be labeled Macintosh HD, or it might have your name on it, Library, and we will go to Keyboard Layouts. So I have, as this is take 2, I have already moved it in. Normally it would be blank. What you would do is you would drag that over and install it. Another way you could do it, if you have, if you see it this way in your desktop, you can also drag it over. So once we have the Inupiaq font here in our keyboard layouts, we need to go to System Preferences. Click on Keyboard. Make sure that your keyboard and emoji viewers are in the menu bar, and you will see this, what looks somewhat like a calendar, somewhat like a calculator here in the top corner. We will go to Input Sources, and currently the keyboard I'm using is a US keyboard, so I'm going to add one by clicking on the plus sign here. And if I scroll down and look for my Inupiaq font, it does not show up here in these commonly listed ones. I instead have to keep scrolling all the way down to Others. Once I get to the Others, I've been working on this for a while, so I have a number of fonts. You will click on the one with the flag you're looking for, and then we would need to restart our computers in order for it to take and work, and so I've done this a little while ago, and here's the one where I know that I've already restarted my computer. And if you look down here, it shows what the keyboard looks like. So next to the P is where I find my L with a slash. Next to the L, G with a dot. Next to the period is the N with a tail. So I'm going to add this. And now instead of the icon we've seen before, it's showing that I am currently using my US keyboard. And so if I go to Microsoft Word and try to type, if I try to type wanga, this is how it looks in the US font. If I move to the Inupiaq font, and you'll see it changes up here, and I type again, same thing, it types with the current letters. Wanga, Suzuk, and Inupiaq tunga, ungalaklit me. I live in Inupiaq. And there we have it. We have the Inupiaq font installed, and you can type. It's wonderful. And take good, Tani. Thank you very much for being here. See you again sometime.